we've reached out to some of our community members who wanted to share with all of us how we've impacted them with their homes and with their lives. And I think what's just really important is for you to understand it's not about Bonnie, Erin and I, it's about what you guys bring to Three Birds. We absolutely couldn't do it without you. So every video we're about to show you here is for you. And she said everything that I could.
Yeah, we had things to say and she just said
you are the wind beneath our wings. Okay? All right, roll it, Courtney.
Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy.
Hey, kia ora tātou, it's Ronnie calling all the way from Aotearoa, New Zealand, just to give my love and a big shout out to the ladies.
We are currently doing our DIY renovations on our forever home in Perth, Western Australia. We wouldn't have been able to make all these beautiful changes without the knowledge that we have learned from the Three Birds.
They make me laugh, they make me smile, and they give me confidence. And they've given me confidence in kind of everywhere I've taken my reno journey. And I just think it's funny how in life you hear these expressions and you can hear them anywhere in a book, etc. But I never forget Lana said one day that done's better than perfect. And for some reason her saying that, it just really stuck with me. And I've taken that through all parts of my life really.
Hi birdies! I like the Three Birds renovation because it inspires women to renovate houses.
Hey, from a set of besties to another amazing set of besties, we just wanted to say happy 10 years and congratulations.
What you girls do is so incredible, and we're always in awe of how far you've all come.
And in my Year 8 maths class, as part of our measurement unit, I got the kids to use the templates to come to visualise their dream home and then draw their ideal floor plan to scale. Thanks Three Birds, not only for helping to inspire me to purchase my dream home, but to inspire a new generation.
I love the courses. I love the community that you've created.
The first time I saw the video of Three Birds, I feel so excited.
Three Birds feels like it's in my blood. They have this way of just making you feel like you are part of something. When it did come time for me to renovate, I felt supported. It didn't matter, it wasn't scary because I had these women that were going to be by my side.
Filling out a form here, religion, status, Three Birds Renovations.
Thanks so much. It's great working with you, and we wish you all the very best for the next 10, 20, 30 years, for however long you want to do it.
Yeah, thank you so much for styling our home. We're just so grateful to have worked with you.
When I was 14 years old, I was actually lucky enough to myself do the reno school. Three Birds have inspired me to really develop and establish my passion for interior design and styling and renovating houses.
For me, Three Birds means trust. They really don't just renovate homes, they transform homes, and my family and I will forever be grateful for what they've given us.
And the determination and positivity shown by you all is truly inspiring.
Me and my mum used Three Birds Reno School for designing our house, and we're currently designing my room.
Three Birds make such amazing, beautiful houses.
A massive thank you to the Three Birds team for giving me the confidence to back myself and trust my gut during our builds and renovations. You girls inspire me so much, and not just because of the beautiful houses that you create, but the way you empower women.
The community you have built is amazing. Just building the confidence for women to be able to renovate.
I knew I could turn to my fellow birdies for their wisdom and experience to ensure that I didn't make any decisions or design choices that I knew I would regret in the future.
Thank you very much for giving me that confidence. We've now been back in our beautifully renovated house. Not only is it a lovely space to be in, but it has created so much joy for our family.
These ladies know their stuff. It has been absolutely life-changing for my husband and I really just want to thank you three for being able to help families around the world, really have the confidence to be able to do this.
Honestly, this was a gift sent from heaven when I connected with Three Birds. I know that. This is truly a community that has touched my heart, and I am just so excited for what's to come, and it's only been just a few weeks.
You unknowingly are a part of every memory because of the home that you created for us.
the Three Birds will forever be part of our journey.